to read with you guys and to share with you guys. This book that I got. This book is called The Wiz. I just want to come a little bit closer. Okay. Maybe I'm just going to do that. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. This is The Wiz. I kind of don't remember this book. I find people getting stuck on my book. Cut your head off. When the Wiz stop it. What's this one called? Supposed to see.